It's Arlen here with Lode King. Today we're going to take you on a walk around in some of the Renown series drop decks that we've been building, show you some of the new features and benefits that we have for this trailer. The Renown series trailer has been the flagship for our company for the last 20 plus years. It's unique in the fact that it is comprised mostly of aluminum. The only steel componentry in the Renown series would be the main rail. And today we're going to show you some of the different offerings we have available in this trailer. There's 3 different side rails, different flooring, different options available. The Renown series trailer was developed 20 plus years ago and has become our flagship trailer. The models that we're going to be looking at today are primarily our drop deck models. The trailer beside me today, it features our newest side rail offering. This new side rail has an integrated load hook tracks inside of it, so it allows you the ability to move your hooks wherever you need them to fasten your load down, making it optimal for your freight. Another unique feature about our trailers, the main side rail is 7 inches in width. It's very robust, designed to carry those heavy loads on the bottom rail as well. The top rail, because of the sliding winch configuration we see today, we have a 6-inch side rail just on the upper deck. All cross members, as mentioned earlier, are aluminum as well. The only steel component in this trailer is the main rail, the top, bottom flange, and the web material or high tensile steel. Some of the other options that are available in this trailer, this particular trailer has a sliding winch track, which is not part of the upper rail, so we can add it to any of the side rail options with the exception of the JP rail. This one's got the barrel winches that are mounted on the sliding track. I should mention the side rail. We have different stake pocket options available. This particular unit is equipped with the 24-inch spacing on the side rail with a pipe spool in between. There is an option of 48-inch spacing with 2 pipe spools between the 2 stake pockets as well. The airbox has 2 available locations. This particular trailer has the airbox mounted right here at the landing gear. Some people have a preference to have it back at the suspension. That's something you can specify when you're building our trailer online as to where the box location would be. Lighting is very important. A lot of these drop deck trailers haul wider loads. You need the ability to have something to identify your width of your load. This has several different locations. You can pin the light into whatever location you want it. And if you're not using it, it tucks into this little pocket and is protected against any debris that's flying on the road. Our standard landing gear on our drop deck trailers is the Holland Mark V landing gear. This particular unit has the optional aluminum Yoast landing gear with a galvanized insert on the lower leg. Again, it's a little lighter in weight. It's a 5-year maintenance-free leg with a 10-year warranty on it. It is an option available on this trailer as well. And as we move back, something that's become a very popular option is the ramp that lifts out of the floor. It will mount flush. It eliminates the need for having a ramp stored underneath the trailer as well. How we achieve the ramp to be mounted flush, we lower the cross members 4 inches and it enables this section to fold flush into the floor. When you have the ramps in the ramp area, we cannot put sliding winches as the lowered cross members would interfere with the sliding winch. In the section of the ramp itself, we will have fixed winches and fixed J-hooks as well. Another option that came via customer request was the ability to be able to lift these ramps easier. We have an option now available with a gas-assisted strut. This enables the operator to be able to lift the ramp from the ground level. You don't have to crawl up onto the deck to try and pick it up. Basically becoming a one-handed operation. If it's something you would like to have, please ask to have that added to your quote when we build that for you. Something brand new for this model is the ability to have a fold-down door on your Dunnies rack. Typically, Dunnies racks come in 8-foot or 9-foot widths, and you have to lift it over a sill to drop it into your Dunnies rack. We've now made this available with a folding door, and once you've got it loaded, folds up and 2 pins drop in containing your load. We're just on the other side of the trailer. You can see the other side we have lifted up higher. This is what it would look like folded flush on the floor. We do have provision for extra stake pockets here at the front. The load bunks you see behind me, when they're not in use, can be mounted into these 2 positions or 3 positions along the deck, near the front of the deck. This is what the load hook looks like. It is an aluminum hook. All of our tie downs are rated 5,000 pound. All of our winches are tested to be rated at 5,000 pounds as well. It allows you basically access anywhere in this track We do have stopper blocks built into the track to keep the hook from sliding. So it does have a stop, so it'll eliminate the travel that you have, and you have options of where you place it. When the load hooks are not required, we do have a storage mounted into the web of the trailer. You're able to store it onto the side of the trailer, and they're tucked away with a pin to make sure they don't fall off or get lost. Just looking down below, this particular trailer has been equipped with a lot of toolboxes. We do have different toolbox options available. They're all cam lock, seals well, opens easily, has a great sealing inside of the door to keep the moisture out of your box. It's got the lockable feature as well. When the tab rolls down, you are able to lock the toolbox itself. This particular unit has the optional Model 33 penny lights as well, mounted into the side rail. Moving back on the trailer, there are several different wheel options or suspension options available. This particular unit, customers requested a lift axle configuration, so we have two different configurations available. A ride empty lift, which immediately lifts as soon as the weight has been taken off of the trailer. This customer has asked for a manual lift so they can raise and lower the axles in different jurisdictions and keep some of the tires off the road. Our typical drop deck has a 41-inch deck height. We have to raise this one 1 inch to a 42-inch deck height to enable us enough clearance when the tires get lifted up. There are several different suspension packages available on our drop deck trailers. This particular unit has been equipped with a disc brake package called the Max 22T. It does have the tire inflation system that we call the Tire Max Pro. It allows you to inflate and deflate your tires. The standard oil-filled wheel end package that we put together here at the factory. We do have a semi-fluid grease package available, also assembled here at the factory. And then there's the Hendrickson HXL5 package that comes to us preset from Hendrickson. We're just at the back of the trailer. The Renown series is all aluminum. Again, the rear bolster is all aluminum as well. We have all of our lighting in the back. The optional strobe lights is also an available option. Should you want to have the appearance of all aluminum in the back, we do offer a bolt-on aluminum bumper onto the rear bolster as well. We just jumped over to another trailer here just to show you a few more options that are available. Again, this particular unit has been equipped with an aluminum floor with 4 hardwood nailer strips. It does have the 3-bar winch in place of the barrel winch. Again, it's an option that's available. Supporting the side rail, standard on all of our drop decks today, are the knee braces that we see below supporting the outside rail of this trailer. They are spaced at 24 inches. If you look below, anytime you see a knee brace, it is supported through the main rail of the trailer and up to the other side of the trailer as well. There's a few different wheel options available on this trailer. The standard wheel that's in the industry today is a steel wheel. You can get a white steel wheel or a silver wheel. Most of the combo trailers that we sell today, because of the lightweight nature, the customers have chosen to go to a aluminum finished wheel. The aluminum wheels are supplied by Alcoa, and they offer you a lightweight, great looking option for your trailer as well. We just moved over to another trailer that we're talking about today. We talked about the side rail options. This particular unit has the original side rail. It's just a nice aluminum 7-inch or 6-inch extrusion. You'll see the winches are fixed mounted winches. Again, that's an option if you would rather have them than a sliding winch in a 3-bar configuration or a barrel winch that we're featuring here today. You don't have the side rail with the J-hook option available. The chain hook, the chain pullout is an option. You're able to specify where you would best like to have those chain pullouts mounted in your trailer. So it does give you the option of having a nice tie-down feature that tucks away when you're not using it. Some of the deck height options we've talked about are standard deck height on a drop deck with 22.5 tires is 41 inches. Any lift axle will raise that deck height by 1 inch to a 42-inch deck height. The deck we're looking at today is a beaver tail trailer. It has one deck height option of 35 inches. The standard low deck does have the optional 33.5-inch deck height as an option. That's only available on the trailers without a beaver tail. This particular 35-inch deck option, how we achieve that is we have a flat pan over the wheel well to allow the travel between your tires, the jounce, not to hit the bottom of the floor. We're just at the back of the trailer, of the beaver tail trailer we were talking about. We have different ramp options available. We have open ramp, obviously, in the top side of it. You'll see that we have a closed option Should you want to have an open ramp, the optional ramps are the center two ramps mounted in the trailer. The nice feature about these ramps, when they're folded in the transport position, they're level with the deck, and it allows you that space that you can use as your regular drop deck. We recommend you using the stand that we have at the bottom of the rear bolster. Bolt that into place before you lower your suspension. As soon as it's bolted in, you're able to drop your air. Your airbags will land on the pucks and allow you to support your back of the trailer with the ramp itself. I'd like to thank you for joining us today on the walk around on the Renown Series trailer. If you'd like more information, please follow us on our website, lodeking.com. Thank you.